Come test drive the 2018 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, center armrest, cold weather package. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.